G'day and welcome to Leggy's camp here. This is the headquarters of the Myall Shore Resort, and in the background there you can see the old homestead and hostel. I made it into a hostel over the years, but now it's been turned into a caravan park and a holiday resort. And we've been here for a couple of days and it's been wonderful to look around the district and see all the wonderful attractions. We even had a lovely meal at the Leggy's licensed restaurant last night. Really enjoyed the food there. Highly recommend it. So for the rest of the video we're going to show you a little bit around the district and a little bit of the resort. Hope you enjoy.
Well, we've had great fun, haven't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The whole area is just delightful.
And that meal, how about that meal?
Couldn't beat it.
I think that the meal particularly was the highlight of my day today, even though normally I'd go out kayaking or sailing. Today we've done a little bit of travelling from Mungo Brush to here, and this is our opulence day where we have beautiful hot showers and a wonderful meal, which you could get in a major city maybe.
I mean, this is roughing it. This is camping at the caravan park by the water's edge.
And the food, apart from being excellent, is also very affordable.
And
it's not expensive.
as good as anything you want in the city.
Yep. Without the car fumes going past and
Without
That's
the
it,
pollution,
yes.
the noise.
It's
It's
just
the surrounds that make
It is,
it's
isn't
superb.
it? It's just terrific.
You just walk out anywhere and just look and you'll find a beautiful spot just to sit and chill,
Yeah.
enjoy the environment.
Well, when I came here, I thought, what has this place got? What's it going to sell itself with? And you know what it is? It's nature.
It is.
Definitely.
Yep.
It's not jet skis. It's not speedboats. It's not fishing. You know, it's just nature.
It caters for everybody. Really, everyone.
But I
whether
think
you
you're
want
right
to go
about the
fishing.
nature, because we were sitting beside the lake and the old goanna came along every day
For a
and
drink.
just come along and
So
have a
timid.
look around. And